I wanted to start with, one particular. Hey, can anyone know what is this? Recently, I went to a place called Ambala, in Haryana. So I brought this one specially from there. So I'm so happy because this is a kind of because Ambala is a place where they make lot of scientific equipment for science labs and all. Okay, so I went there to find out what all the good quality science equipment and all. So this is a center zero galvanometer. Center zero galvanometer. So this has helped so much. Everybody know, and someone know who is this great man? Someone is, anyone can answer me who is this? Michael Faraday. So Michael Faraday worked with this, and this is a coil made by my godfather. Now, what I'll do is, I will take one magnet here, see one magnet, then if you see this, the deflection, okay, see? Center zero positive, center zero negative, center zero positive. And if I turn this, okay. Now so how this deflection? So from this particular observing, today whole universe is moving, we need to work with that. And another most important, because today's session I named it as electricity and magnetism and electromagnetism. I am going to demonstrate. So I'm a bit emotional when I'm touching all this and talking about all this because today a lot of students are from Bangalore. My godfather also is from Bangalore. He born and brought up from Bangalore, and he studied there from Bangalore, and then he became senior manager at R&D BHL Hyderabad, and from there he did a lot of work. Lot much. I'll tell you end of after this demonstration. Now my question here, my dear friends, why the magnets are not touching together? Why the magnets are not touching together? See, the distance is going when I am putting it 180 degrees here parallel to the earth, they are going away. And once again, when at 90 degrees, can you all see? Can you all see? Okay, can you all see clearly? And now if I touch the down one and then, see, no one is touching. Okay. See, no one is touching. How can we make use of this magnetic spring action for what all the various purposes? Okay, see, at 180 degrees, they are going very far off. So think about it, okay? Think about it. How my godfather made such a small gadgets to make you understand so many interesting facts from science. I'll talk about, okay? Now, because there are so many things which I wanted to discuss and show you. Today, yeah, this is very interesting. The most wonderful creation of my godfather. All you are able to see all these things, my dear friends? Say like this, if you are able to see, okay. If I rotate this, what is that you see there? Lights are coming up. So my godfather made this small dynamo, though he is a man who made massive dynamos, megawatts of power generating alternators for this nation. And also BHL supplied to various other, exported to various other countries. He is the man behind all that. But the thing is, for you guys, he tinkered. The reason I asked my Kiran sir to connect all of you guys, because we are all, mentor of change at Atal Tinkering Labs, initiative of Atal Innovation Mission, part of Niti Aayog, okay? So, we want to make you understand so much all about tinkering, from basics of science to physics and to electricity and electronics and communications and programming and 3D and whatnot, so much latest technologies. We will work all that in a practical. So my godfather tinkered This handle he made by tinkering. Okay. So finally, what is that I wanted to tell you, the interesting thing. So he made this dynamo. So to make you understand, so the mechanical energy getting converted into electrical energy, the reason behind, inside this dynamo, there are magnets. So the magnetic field under which you kept the coils, rotating coils. So in a magnetic field, I wanted to make you understand in a nutshell. In a magnetic field, if you place electric coil and rotate the coil, you get induced EMF in the coil. So that EMF is coming to these lamps. Okay, now the most interesting demonstration part, what I have added to this, my godfather's creation is, my godfather made it up to this, and then I have added few lamps. Thomas Alva Edison invented lamps, filament lamps here. Okay, and these are LED lamps. To make you understand the difference between LED to these lamps. Okay, now very smooth, very smooth. I don't have to really apply much load. Very easily I can turn this and make sure the power comes up and the LEDs are glowing. But now my additional, because usually I used to go to schools, almost in India near about 600 schools I visited and served near about 3 lakh children. At that time I used to ask all my children to come close to me and run this. So because to make them understand, suppose say just 1 watt, this is 1 watt bulb, 1 watt Thomas Alva Edison invented filament bulb. Now I am going to switch on 1 watt, only just 1 watt, not the 4,000 watts required for your ACs and all, just 1 watt, okay. Oh my God, how tough it is, man, how hard it is. It is really hard. Unfortunately, today I am doing it for all of you, but mostly in because of this corona pandemic times, we are all doing online. But I'm expressing through my face, but you all have to feel yourself, okay? But it is very hard, man. Just for 1 watt of regular electricity, it is very hard. Now I'll put another one. Oh my God, tough. It is real tough. Very tough, very tough. For 2 watts, it is very tough. Very hard, man, very hard. Very hard. I can't really turn anymore now. I stop. Oh, now for another one more. Okay, 3 watts. Oh, I can't even. Oh, tough. Very tough. Oh my God. All of you need to help me, man. I can't run it to make the bulbs real glow. Real. Just imagine for just 3 watts of this, I had to put so much of energy to. You people are asking your parents, Nana, AC on. Huh? How much AC load? So 2.5 kilowatt load, just that 2,500 watts load. Just for 3 watts, I could not run. Then how much alternators, power generating alternators has to take care of that much of load? Just imagine, you have to feel all this. So I request all of you guys to make such kind of things and feel. If you wanted, those who wanted to make, I can supply the components and all. You all will make and feel and then understand what is the energy required to generate electrical energy, how much pain has to be taken care by the prime movers. Okay, that and all we'll discuss. Okay, so this is a wonderful concept. I hope you all enjoyed this. I feel a day is not very far that you all will experience. Okay, that kind of how much load and all will be experienced. We'll see how good we all are going to work together. Okay, now let me go to introduce my another godfather's creation. This is another most important. My godfather, what he did most interestingly, he made 4 different screwdrivers. One is here. Okay, you can see the colors. They're all different colors. Okay, now here is a magnet. Here is a magnet. Okay, here is a magnet. Not sticking. So you need to understand this screwdriver is made with some other material. Yeah, it is sticking. It is sticking. So this screwdriver is made with some special material, but earlier this one not sticking at all. Okay. Now you made another screwdriver with another material, not sticking. So I'll keep here. Another material. Oh, it is sticking. Oh my God, it is sticking. So there are 2 screwdrivers you made. Okay. So non-magnetic material or magnetic material screwdrivers, ferrous and non-ferrous, they are not sticking. Okay, so aluminum and brass, and they are steel and irons. These fellows are sticking to this particular thing. So I wanted to demonstrate these 4 different screwdrivers with that particular another important. Now, my dear friends, we are going with a very wonderful demonstration. Okay. Yeah. So, hello. Yeah. So here is my mother coil. So can you all see the mother coil, my dear friends? Can you all see the mother coil? Okay. So what is this mother coil made by Godfather? See, basically you all need to understand, my dear friends. As I told you that today's session, I am going to connect you the electricity and magnetism and electromagnetism. Now we have reached to this place where through the electricity, we are trying to produce huge flux connecting, because every magnet will have its own flux. So this particular mother coil, Godfather created, made it the first time, and later he also distributed the making process. So in India now, a lot of physics teachers know how to make all that, and then making their children understand all this. But now, before I really, what is this? Can anyone say? This is aluminum ring. Can you all see this is aluminum ring? Can you all see? Say yes or no. Okay, this is aluminum ring. I'm going to put onto this my Godfather's mother coil, because he is very. Now I'm going to switch on this mother coil. So I'm going to power, because here my Godfather tinkered a special power connection, a 220 volts power connection, AC. Okay, no DC, AC. Okay, so because electromagnetic induction takes place here, that's why AC is required. Okay, so now I'm going to put it into my power connection here. Then I'm going to switch on. See what happened? When I switch on, what happened? See, when I switch off, what happened? This is aluminum fellow. This is aluminum fellow. Okay? The non-magnetic material getting influence with a magnetic electromagnet. The electromagnetic forces are working on a non-magnetic material. So there is some science between, because you felt all the time from your school knowledge that magnetic material, as earlier also demonstrated, a non-magnetic material will not get attracted or repel with a magnetic material. But here is this particular electromagnetic combination with a non-magnetic disc, aluminum disc, all of them. Whenever I go to school, I give all these plates to all the children to understand whether any magic is there. Science is no magic, only logic. They're all, I give the magnets, they'll check and see there is no magic. These are all aluminum plates, discs, okay? So, I'm taking one aluminum disc. Now, once again, my dear friends, see this? So, what makes it happen this way? Can you all see clearly? This is important. This is made by Sri Devadas. Okay. Now, let me go to more interestingly. Hey, can you all see? I made a small attachment to my Godfather's mother coil so that you all can understand something very nice. See, I just made, this small thing. What I did, I just tinkered a small motor. I just purchased one, this plastic L-bend, we call it L-bend, from any plumbing store you get this. So I just cut it 90 degrees so that you can see what is the way I'm doing. So that when I cut it at 90 degrees, then this can go here nicely like this, and then it can come out. So this is how I did it. Okay, so on one side I kept this motor, and on the other side I did something else. You need to understand, I'm not going to tell that. Okay, now why is that I'm not interested in telling that? Because I don't want to answer all my questions, all your questions. I want to raise your curiosity. Okay, that's why. Otherwise, nothing, no secret. I don't want to keep anything secret. Okay, because once Sir C.V. Raman said Srinivas never answer your students' questions, but instead ask them a question related to their question. So that's why what I do, I don't answer all the questions in the beginning. I want to make sure for some time you think, keep thinking, because a lot of times, see, once Abdul Kalam said, dreams are not the ones you get in the sleep. You remember that dialogue, that quote? Dreams are the one which doesn't allow you to sleep. Okay. So I wanted to keep you under the second mode. That's why, so that you all will think, because thinking must be your capital asset, whatever up and down come across in your life. Okay. Now that is where right from my school days, I remember all the questions I asked myself and imagined myself and found answer from my third class onward. First question in my life I remember about electricity. My father asked me to switch on the street light. I on it. And again, I just switched off. And again, switching on, switching off. And after 10 times, my father gave me a big slap on my back. That's a different scenario. The reason behind, because he said the bulb will go bad. I said, I'm trying to do some experiment. What is the experiment you are trying to do with the light on, off, on, off? I'm trying to figure out the time, the power it is taking from the switch to the bulb. That's what the question I asked. Though he's an electrical man, he could not answer at the time. But I figured out myself maybe in some later years. Okay, I understood how much time it takes. But today, you people are calling all international calls, not asking yourself a question. How fast why are you going all the way up to the telephone things? You are using Google, no? Every day you are using Google. Have you ever asked yourself a question that, what all the kind of keyword you are putting into a Google search box, and all the way pressing enter in a microsecond of time, your query is going all across the universe and finding all the resources wherever they are available related to your required keyword, and the answers are there in front of you. You never asked yourself anything. That is the problem in India now. My Indian children are not thinking. They are only just making use. That's where all the other country products are in the India. So why is that it's not happening? Make in India, made in India. It's a high time. High time. We have seen since last 4 months what kind of situation, pathetic situation. No answer, no solution, problems created by, I don't want to name the countries. You understand, my dear friend? And now they are trying to fight with us. I'm really worried about all this. So that's where all my students have to become innovative and inventive minds. Now let us see this. That's why today's my special session. Now, my dear friends, once again, I'm going to switch on the power to my mother coil. Now my mother coil once again energized. Okay. Now you see what's happening. What's happening? Can someone tell me? Can someone tell me what's happening? It's stopping, the fan stopping when I removed it from mother coil. But when I'm taking into my mother coil, slowly it started moving, so that you can see that. Okay, slowly started moving. Can you see this? Can you see this? Slowly started moving. Okay, now you see, slowly started moving. Now slowly raising its speed because I'm going close to the mother coil. So more the close, more the induction, more the voltage, more the power, more the speed. This is what I wanted to demonstrate through the mother coil. Okay, you understand, my dear friends? Nothing, no rocket science questions. You need to understand. Without any physical connection between the mother coil to this particular gadget, what I have added to my godfather's this particular mother coil, how this is receiving energy without any physical connection. No wire connection, nothing. That is what you need to understand, my dear friends. If you want me to answer, I will answer. But your thinking capability won't raise. That's why I'm not answering right now. Okay. Happy about it? Okay, fine. Now let me take you to see, 3 years ago, the girl Devi came to my home, my lab, because sometimes children will come to my lab. So I explained all about series parallel combination of lamps and resistors, whatnot, something like that. Because that's all 7th class study and all, physics textbook. Okay. Then finally, she asked me, sir, why are you putting one resistance in the basic circuit of LED? Then I told her, because LED is designed and they made it for only to withstand for 2 volt. But however, you are connecting on 9 volts and the HW battery thing. That's why, so LED can't handle that voltage, so that more current will flow through the junction of PN junction of the LED, so that will go bad. That is the series current limiting resistor. The name I explained to that girl. Then she said, after my lesson of series parallel combinations of the loads and the resistors, whatnot, then she asked me the mementos and all that all will be there in my home. So she took this one because she liked Abdul Kalam. And then what she did, she tinkered, a kind of LEDs unto this particular Dr. Kalam's one memento is there here. Then why is that she did, she connected all the LED collections back this way, nicely she soldered. And finally, she came back to me and said, sir, we'll connect this one onto Godfather's mother coil. Then I said, okay, let me see, we'll see how good it works. Then we'll see. Now, once again, I'm going to switch on Godfather's mother coil. Yes. Now you see. Yeah, induction is taking place. Lamps are on. There is no physical connection, man. There is no physical connection. It's a normal, simple, regular memento. Only thing, my girl Devi drilled some holes on the memento, and then she kept some glue and all so that the LEDs won't move from there and here. That is the backside connection. And the most interesting fact of this is she did not use any resistor. The series parallel combination of that LEDs. No resistor at all. But now, finally, she made it this way. So beautiful. Give a big clap to that Devi girl because she applied. Give a big clap to that Devi girl because she is the one who innovated, tinkered this one. Okay. I want you guys to do all these kind of things here. Okay. We'll work. Okay. Now, my mother coil today, I am demonstrating. My Godfather created mother coil. I am trying to demonstrate today. The reason behind, I have right from my childhood one particular question in my mind. Because, remember in all our Bangalore apartments, there is one transformer near to the gate or some corner of the transformer place. In every apartment complex, we'll have one transformer. Yes or no? One transformer is always there. Yes or no? But the problem is, you never ask yourself a question, why the transformer? Why the transformer? Tell me. Shall I unmute all of you who wanted to say something about transformer? Shall I unmute all of you? Yeah, we'll take unmute all of you and see how many of you guys all are unmuted. Now you all can, whoever wanted to say something, because I wanted to listen in my... Because last 45 minutes I keep on saying, but now I wanted to listen to all of you. Why do you need the transformer? Because without knowing the basics of this particular science or the physics or the electricity or the electronics, if we wanted to do something great in this country, so I request all my students to have wonderful, thorough concept of understanding the basics. Okay, doesn't matter. We are there with you all. We'll make you understand. We'll work with you. Only the thing we wanted to work with inventors and innovators because this country requires at this point of time. So all our decades of experience, we wanted to spend only for you guys. We don't want to do anything other than inspiring and igniting my all young India to prepare productive India. Make in India, made in India. That is only possible from Skill India at School India. Okay. So I'm going to connect you all that later. Come on, tell me. Who is going to tell me? We have transformers. Oh, Srijani. Yes, Srijani, go ahead. All are unmuted. You can tell me. Transform.
I think from the source, electric source, the current will come to the transformer.
Wait, Srijani, wait. Sriyukt from Bangalore. Yes, go ahead. What is Sriyukt? What is your answer, Sriyukt? A lot of noise is coming. Lot of noise. Okay. Shall I unmute all of you and only... One second. Lot of noise. Okay. Yeah. I have unmuted all of you. I'm muted all of you and I'm going to unmute Sriyukt. Sriyukt, what is your answer? The question given to all of you... one second. The question is very clear. We have transformers at every single street corner or in the apartments. All of the apartments have the transformer, okay? And every single street corner we have transformer. Doesn't matter it's a single phase transformer or a three phase transformer. Transformer is transformer. But we need to know what is transformer. See, are you going to answer me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead and answer me. What is a transformer? What it does? Why do we need the transformer? Come on, hurry up. We are lagging behind. We need to cover lot much. Hey, why are you muting Sriyukt again? Don't mute. I am unmuted. I'm unmuting and you are muting. Wait a second. Okay, I'm unmuted. Go ahead. Go ahead, Sri, answer me. He is not speaking.
So for the sir?
Question. Shall I repeat you the question, Sri?
No, sir.
You know the question. Yeah, go ahead, please. Go ahead.
For the supply of electricity.
Even without the transformer, also, if you get a connection from the street line, you get electricity. Yes or no, my dear friend?
It will change the electricity into AC current.
That is anyway coming all the way. We produce and we distribute in the form of AC only, alternating current only. So, why is the transformer? This is, write down this question. Next time, next session, we'll discuss. But right now, I will demonstrate the transformer action. Okay. So, those students, those who are knowing about the formula, N1 by N2 is equal to V1 by V2. Note down this formula, very important. N1 by N2 is equal to V1 by V2. N1 by N2 are, N1 is the primary turns, number of turns on the primary coil, number of turns on the secondary coil N2. V1 is the given voltage at primary, V2 is the secondary voltage on the secondary. So, here is a primary, my dear friends, in front of, because without knowing this, it doesn't look nice for today's session. That's why I'm explaining. Shall I mute all of you? Okay. Okay. Very important, very interesting, my dear friends. For today's demonstration, to respect and honor my Godfather. So if I don't make you understand the transformer action, I don't really feel comfortable. That's why I'm explaining all this. This is a primary coil, what is there in front of me. And near about 230 number of turns already there wounded by this historic coil. It is made by my Godfather near about 50 years ago, my dear friends. And 230 turns, copper, enameled copper, not regular bare copper, enameled copper wire for electromagnetic purposes and all, for making all your motors, transformers, all to work. Okay, this is the Michael Faraday's Faraday laws of induction and all, the Michael Faraday coil. Okay, the original coil. So he is an Indian Michael Faraday. So made this Faraday coil kind of thing, which a price, we can never calculate the money and price for all this kind of development. Now my question interesting. So the 230 volts fed into this coil, and because of the core is there inside this coil, it has become electromagnet. So this electromagnet, when it is there, and then whenever I'm trying to put some other secondary coil and all onto this, so magnetic coupling is taking place, which is because of the mutual inductance. Mutual inductance, magnetic coupling, no physical electrical coupling, it's a magnetic coupling. Okay, so here is a primary, secondary. The number of turns according to requirement to my fan and all, I just kept them few turns and all. Okay, and then again I get induction here in AC, but however this motor is DC, and I converted this AC to DC with a kind of rectifier here to make you understand how I connected. See the 4 diodes in a bridge rectifier. So the secondary connection, 2 wires. Because when you wound a coil, you get 2 ends. Those 2 ends are given to this rectifier. Automatically, that rectifier that converts AC to DC, because my fan, the motor, what I have here is DC one. That's why I've converted. Otherwise, if you have AC motor, you don't have to use the bridge rectifier and all. That we'll discuss in up later. But now, why is that I'm talking about all this? I wanted to make you understand number of turns in secondary. See, you, my dear friend, this is another creation. Did by innovation, did by my Godfather. All these things went to United States. They are there for more than 2 decades there. And then because of my effort, the way I'm working with my students of this nation, Pawan convinced with my communication. If I share my communication with Pawan, you will understand how many hundreds of emails I exchanged him and shown him the kind of work I'm doing for this country. Finally, this historic preparations made by Godfather has come back to this nation. And today I'm glad to feel legacy is not a small thing, man. So this is the secondary coil what my Godfather prepared to make you understand the induction on the secondary coil. So this is primary. Now I'm going to, you can see literally the induction here in light variations and all. Okay. Now my dear friends, see, the primary is now charged. Okay. And the magnetic energy is there on this. So I'm going to keep it here. And this connection, So this particular coil has got two ends. One end has come to this bulb and the second end is here in this. Okay. See, the light is on. Light is on. See, the brightness is changing. When I'm going away from mother coil, you all can see the brightness is changing or not. Everybody agree? Now, if I remove it out when there is no magnetic coupling, then there is no induction and secondary. That's where you don't see light anymore. Okay. So based on the distance from the mother to secondary, that primary to secondary, the induction changes. Now I'm not going to change the distance from the mother to the secondary. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, see, the brightness, I'm adjusting without changing the distance. The brightness I'm adjusting without changing the distance. But still I'm changing the brightness. Yes or no? Basically, how I'm doing it, there are so many number of turns. So I'm adjusting this pin for the maximum number of turns. When I'm keeping it on the maximum number of turns connection, then the more the induction, more the voltage, more the light. When I'm keeping away and less the number of induction, less the number of turns it is getting connected, only few, and very much less induction on this particular area of that area, and less voltage, no light coming out. You understand, my dear friends? So this is how I change the number of turns. This is my Godfather's creation, not mine. Though it is enamel insulated copper, so we remove the insulation there so that I can move all this way. You understand? You can prepare. Those who wanted to understand all these things very interestingly, they can prepare all such. I can share the making process, doesn't matter. Okay? Yes or no? Will you all make all this? Anybody is there who is interested in sharing all this and making all this? Anybody wanted to learn? Yeah, wonderful. Yeah, excellent. Okay, good. Now,